Hi guys, in this video I'll talk about refraction. So let's get started. What happens when light travels from one medium to another? It bends. It may bend towards or away from the normal. Okay. So जब भी लाइट एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम जाती है तो वो मुड़ती है, वो नॉर्मल की तरफ या नॉर्मल से दूर मुड़ सकती है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन किस मीडियम से किस मीडियम पर जा रही है. सो लेट्स से मीडियम 1, मीडियम 2, दिस इज द इंटरफेस. इंटरफेस इज द बाउंड्री विच सेपरेट्स बोथ मीडियम्स, और ये नॉर्मल है. एक लॉ तो बिल्कुल कॉमन है, दैट आई नॉर्मल एंड रिफ्रेक्टेड रे आर इन सेम प्लेन, और दूसरा आप बोल सकते हैं कि भाई इस मीडियम में अगर हम देखें, ये मीडियम 1 या मीडियम 2, तो आई कैन से दैट मीडियम 2 इज अ रेयरर मीडियम because it has moved away, and in this case, because it has moved towards the normal, the medium 2 will be a denser medium in comparison to medium 1. जब भी रेयरर से डेंसर में जाएगी तो towards the normal, denser से rarer away from the normal. What do you mean by denser and rare? Means speed in medium 1 is less than speed in medium 2. जिस भी मीडियम में स्पीड कम है वो डेंसर, और जिस भी मीडियम में स्पीड ज़्यादा है वो रेयर. सिंपल सी बात ये है, ठीक है. फ्रीक्वेंसी विल नॉट चेंज व्हेन लाइट चेंजेस इट्स मीडियम. इट्स अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सोर्स. sin theta 1 by sin theta 2, this is the Snell's law which govern the refraction. So angles made by rays with the normal, sin theta 1 by sin theta 2 is c1 by c2 is equal to lambda 1 by lambda 2, but is inverse of mu 2 by mu 1. What do we mean by refractive index? Is, let's say, refractive index of the medium is ratio of velocity of light in vacuum to velocity of light in that medium. And by this definition I can say that velocity, if I take the vacuum here also, medium as vacuum, so mu of vacuum should be 1 as per the definition. Mu is obviously a unitless dimensionless quantity because it is the ratio of same velocities or same physical quantities, so it will be dimensionless. Mu is called refractive index of the medium. Okay, so mu 2 is the refractive index of the medium 2 and mu 1 is the refractive index of medium 1. Del is called deviation, कितना रे बेंड हो रही है अपनी रास्ते से. तो लेट्स से ये रे यहाँ आ रही थी और इतना बेंड हो गई, दिस इज कॉल्ड डेविएशन. सिमिलरली इन दिस इज कॉल्ड डेविएशन. So how much is this? This complete angle is r, this angle is I, so deviation in this case is r minus I because angle r is greater than I, and in this case this is angle I and this is r, so deviation is nothing but I minus r. So to make a simple formula, we get mod of I minus r. No matter what is greater, take the deviation to be positive with obviously direction. This is deviation in anti-clockwise direction and this deviation is in clockwise direction. Okay, let's solve few examples. In this, light is moving from this medium to this and we have to find what is the angle of refraction and deviation. Okay, so now solving, sin 45, theta 1 is 45 by sin theta 2, which is angle of refraction is mu 2. Mu 2 is 1 by mu 1 is root 2. Solving, we get sin theta 2 as nothing but 1 and theta 2 as 90. Theta 2 as 90 means the ray will move like this because this is normal, making an angle 90 with the normal. Okay, so what is the deviation in this case? Deviation is nothing but I minus r, or mod of that 90 minus 45 will give you 45 is the deviation in anti-clockwise direction. Let's solve different case. In this case, light is moving from this is rarer medium and this is denser. In this case, it was denser medium to rarer medium. So obviously the light will tend towards the normal, and we have to find again this angle theta 2, solving by Snell's law. Sin 45 by sin theta 2 will give you mu 2, which is this 2 by this, and sin theta 2 comes out to be 1 by 2 on solving this. Similarly, theta 2 is nothing but 30 degree. So the deviation is this, which is 45 minus 30, which is 15 degree clockwise. Okay. In the next question, we have to find the lateral shift. What do you mean by lateral shift is कि रे कहाँ जा रही थी और उसको आपने पैरेलली कितना शिफ्ट कर दिया. So this is basically lateral shift. This distance, you can show it here also. This is called lateral shift. So we have to find this value and the deviation, and when it passed through a slab. So what do you mean by a slab? Slab have parallel normal. Okay, slab has normals are parallel. Okay, so N1 and N2 will be parallel. N1 and N2 are parallel. That is the property of the slab. So we can say if this angle is I and this is R, by simple geometry we can say this angle will be R, and using Snell's law I can easily prove that this angle will be again I. So the ray emerges out parallel to the incident ray, so there is no deviation. Del net is 0. What about the lateral shift? Let's say T with the thickness of the slab. Okay, look at this triangle. Okay, let's name them A, B, draw perpendicular, C, and this is T. Okay, so in triangle ABC, I can say how much is AB. AB is hypotenuse. This we know AC. AC by AB means for angle this R, I can say cos R. So it is cos R. So what is AB? AB is nothing but AC, which is thickness, by cos R. Okay, and in this triangle ABD, this angle, look at this angle, this is always perpendicular. This angle is nothing but I minus R. So we can say that we have to find BD, means perpendicular BD over hypotenuse AB is how much? Sine of I minus R. Using the value of AB as T by cos R, we can say BD is nothing but T sine I minus R by cos R. Okay, so this is the expression for lateral shift BD. BD is the lateral shift. In the last example, we have to find the length of the shadow. The spelling is not correct. The length of the shadow of the rod when water is filled up to half of the height. Okay, the rays are falling at an angle 45, and this is the rod. It is inside the water, or the depth of the water is half of its length. हमें बताना है शेडो कितनी बनेगी. तो मान लेते हैं यहाँ इंसिडेंट होगा. इंसिडेंट से एंगल हमारे पास है 45 डिग्री, और सॉल्व करेंगे तो एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन की वैल्यू निकाली जा सकती है. दिस इज एंगल आर. ओके, और क्योंकि ये 45 है तो हम इसको तो बोल ही सकते हैं ये L/2 होगा. अब बस R की वैल्यू निकाल के ये लेंथ और चाहिए. ओके, सो यूजिंग Snell's law, sin 45 by sin R is how much? Mu 2, which is root 2, by mu 1, which is 1. Sin R is nothing but half. So R is nothing but 30 degree. and in this triangle, let's say ABC. In triangle ABC, this is the triangle. This angle 30 degree. This is L by 2, and this is AB. Okay, sorry, BC. This is A. So I can use to find BC. 1030 is how much? Perpendicular upon base, which is L by 2. So BC is L by 2 root 3. So what is the total length of the shadow? L of shadow is nothing but L by 2 plus L by 2 root 3. We can take out L by 2 common, 1 plus 1 by root 3. That is the length of the shadow.